Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 7th grade concept of area of composite figures. This is standard 7.9C in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 19 off the 2017 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. This looks a little bit strange because I actually had to print this out and take a photo of it so we could use the rulers. So we've got a triangle. It's not a right triangle, so we have this height in the middle. That's a dashed line that we're going to have to use. And we've got a semicircle. So we need to measure the dimensions and then find the area to the nearest centimeter. So we're going to estimate. All right, and so let's see what we have here. There's just two shapes. So we've got a semicircle, and so we can deal with that one first. So the area of a circle is pi r squared. But we don't have the area of a semicircle, but a semi means half. So we could just take our area of a circle and then just cut it in half. So if we could find the area of the full circle and then cut it in half, and that's our semicircle or our half circle. So let's figure out what that's going to be. And you know what, since we're estimating here, I don't see any decimals. Let's make our pi, because pi is normally 3.14 since we're estimating. Let's just kind of make it 3. We'll see if that gets us close. So we're going to say 3. And then we need r squared. So we don't have an r. So an r is from the center of the circle out to one of its sides. Right? That's our radius. And so we have this ruler all the way down here at the bottom of the screen. But I try to line it up so that's my 0. So I can kind of use this as my line right here. Extend this down as the height. And it looks like that is going to be 4. So I've got my pi is about 3. I've got my r as 4 squared. And remember, I need to take that and cut it in half simply because it's a semicircle. So let's see, I've got 3 times my 4 squared is 4 times 4. It's not 4 times 2, it's 4 times itself. So that's 16. Cut in half. If we want, we can go ahead and divide that 16 by 2. And that's going to be 8. So that's 3 times 8. So that equals 24. So that's area is about, the area of the circle is about 24 square centimeters. All right, so let's see what our area of the triangle is here. So remember, that's 1/2 base times height. So 1/2, my base, well, here's my base. If my radius was 4, that means the full diameter, which actually if I needed the diameter, that would have been that's the base. That would have been nice. But I can just double that 4 and get 8. So I can get 8 cm. And then my height, that's where I need this second ruler right here. So I try to line this up. So this is about my 1, and this goes right over here to about my 7. So this is at my 0, excuse me, and that's at my 7. So it's about 1/2 times 8 times 7. I'm going to multiply that 1/2 times 8. That's going to make it a little bit easier. So that's 4 cm times 7 cm. So that is 28 square centimeters. So my circle is about 24, but this is exactly 28. I didn't need to estimate on that. So let's just add those two, 24 and 28. And we'll see what gets us close. Because remember, we did estimate. So that's going to be 12. So I got 52 square centimeters. But remember, I rounded my pi from 3.14 down to 3 since we're estimating, and I don't see 52, but I do see something really close. I'm going to choose this D here, 53 square centimeters.